It's time to eat more vegetables. These are fresh, delicious, and so easy to make any night of the week. This is my take on an Asian-style green beans. They're garlicky good. Grab your aprons, let's cook. So first to get started, you want 1 pound green beans. So we need to trim the green beans. We're gonna nip the ends and then keep the tails. Makes it pretty. Fill a 6-quart pot with cold water. Bring it to a rolling boil. Season it vigorously with kosher salt. Blanch the beans. We're gonna cook them 4 to 5 minutes until tender crisp. So you want 4 garlic cloves. We're going to slice this and divide it and set it aside into 2 equal piles, just like that. And 1 sliced shallot. So you want to divide half of the shallots. So we have 2 equal piles. We're going to work in stages. You cannot overcrowd the wok. You could use a 12-inch skillet or a wok. I have a little wokish type of skillet that works beautifully, but we don't want to overcrowd the pan because we want to cook our green beans perfectly. So in a separate bowl, you're going to add cold ice water. So this is our blanching liquid. Once we remove it from the boiling water, we're going to shock it, and then we're going to preserve that beautiful green color. The salted water is going to give it great flavor. Take a clean kitchen towel. So we have our blanched green beans. Toss them on the towel. We want them to be totally dry, or else it'll freak out in the skillet. Heat your wok or a 12-inch skillet over medium-high heat. You want to get the pan ripping hot. 1 tablespoon avocado oil, half of the beans. So we're cooking in layers. We just want to blister them. Half of the garlic and shallots, salt, pepper. So we just want to blister them. If we added all the green beans into the skillet or the wok, they would crowd, steam, and they wouldn't get that beautiful blistering. So about 1 to 2 minutes, we just want to warm them through. Remove to a bowl. Repeat the second batch. 1 tablespoon oil. Add the remaining shallots and garlic. Remaining green beans, salt, pepper. Saute 1 to 2 minutes until the garlic is fragrant, and we just blister those green beans ever so slightly. Return the first batch of the beans. 3 tablespoons low sodium soy, 1 tablespoon mirin, pinch of red pepper flakes, and we're just going to reduce the soy until it coats and glazes the beans, about a minute. Take your favorite platter and then add the beans. That's it, super simple. Take a little sesame oil and just splash, just a little splash right over the top. Some sesame seeds. You can toast these because you're fancy. Super easy side dish, incredibly delicious. Now we gotta give it a taste. If you're gonna eat Asian, you need chopsticks. Sesame seeds makes it beautiful. Perfectly cooked, tender, crisp. They just have a little snap to them, but they're nice and tender, so that way you can grab onto all that sauce. Nice little salty kick from the soy. They're so good. They're so simple. You gotta try them. There you have it, a simple and delicious Asian-style green beans that you can make at home. So what have we learned today? We learned when we blanch the beans, you wanna salt that boiling water vigorously. Ice bath, vigorously. Why? Because it grabs onto that delicious flavor, and when we go to saute them, do it in batches. That way you get beautiful even blistering, perfect caramelization on the garlic. Yeah, it's garlicky good. If you like this video, you learned something, give me a thumbs up. Comment in the comment box below. Be sure to subscribe. I do roll out a new homemade made easy recipe video each week. And if you want to check out more of my other recipes, you can click this video link right here or click this one and I'll meet you over there.